Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kaanu prerona haringkat ka Media Plus bat Kariti Academy kila sami ki Khusnam ya katu kat ningut ki briu kumshi Bynta ban raki ya ka Bihu Festival bat ka khasi folk presentation ha ka arpulai tarik uyayong arhajar arpauar. Ka kong Silverin pasa kala longkum ka kongsan jong kate ka program haringkat ka jingya don lang jong uba Rafael Warjuri bat urefil jen bi karnayor. Ya ka anu prerona laseng da udip jyoti saikya bat udhiren rana Chakraborty haus nam arhajar khatsau ban penchlor ya iwei pa iwei ban pen I bat pen pa ya laki sam. Kariti Academy ka dei ka visual arts ka bala seng haus nam khat khandai spa khandai puwei bat nadu bala seng ya ka tei ka shlam kala nang kiu shaprang. Kani ka shlam kala kentiu bat penrang ba ya kariti ka dustur jong ka arts and culture jong ki jila ki bedon ha ki than la mingi. Kumjuru kani ka shlam kala nang roy ha kalyang ka arts and culture camps.
Media Plus, I would like to give you something about the two organizations. First, I would like to tell you about Anu Prerona. This is a socio-cultural organization. It was founded in 2014 by Mr. Jyoti Saikia, who is amidst us, and Mr. Dhindranath Chakraborty, who unfortunately could not be with us, and I just came to know that he is 95 years old, so naturally he could not be with us. So this organization, it encourages individuals to show their potential in different fields by felicitating them. So the organization has held many events and has been successfully holding them. To go ahead, now I would like to tell you about Kariti Academy of Visual Arts, which was founded in 1991. Now this academy has come a long way since its inception, and it has grown from strength to strength. It believes in nurturing, in sustaining, in propagating the indigenous art and culture of this part of Northeast, but side by side also it keeps abreast with the contemporary art and culture. And it has also successfully organized many art and cultural camps. And another very nice way to know about this particular organization is that it had started this MAD gallery, MAD. Now it doesn't mean that it is mad. The abbreviation stands for Make a Difference, and it has really made a lot of difference. And at the same time, the word mad in Khasi, which is mad, it also means to taste. So you can taste art, you can taste culture.
Khasi language, Kublai Pibaro always. Kani ka program, kaday, nakabanta, iba dana katumo ngim coklat e ka jingai jong i baitong katin kasi kedai katin keba tiang hadu kata bad habang ngasdang bantau gitu ruai nada sohon nada somelung hadu kata ban tau gitu ruai katin kasi ti kumihitip ibarana bilang Ibreu iba janai hadu kata dimenta ngan pensno api ya kini ki paralot bawan soba hakaktin nong way kabak ayo iba ranai le nakabenta kajaj pendri jongi man penek pensa hadu menta ya kisur kenut jerwai kadui tara jong i atharai piok sngo mentan bakir wai ki kon jong i imafi dalin balikarna kini baro arngut hijubut ek pakat sebekilai bad habakim lap manlek balik pa ngalam lang mga kat sebengalai ngin pun kan uat ikisur jeng wat jong i temen ta kan ikapor ngan ya tu kendiak ya pi ikikam jong ibarana ngatarai pisung tu di mga keren mentan dan tin kasih ai pengen no tak kasih language isn't it Rana Karkungo was a Khasi Indian singer, songwriter and video director. He was well known for his where he released Tiupulab and was a part of the album Jingtbit. Barana Karkungo started singing in the 1970s and throughout his career received grade A by All India Radio and was on National DD Metro Pop Time program produced 27 albums which were mostly recorded in Calcutta and has 29 albums to his credit. Barana Karkungo was a victim in every work he learned to me and my friend also. So, Barana Karkungo, when I went in a training in Calcutta, I met him and he told me, now we will record a song along with Usha Utho. But I didn't remember the date. I'm so happy. So, when he came back, he told me he will try to compose another song, Khasi song, and we will try to compose a song with the song rhythm in a Masti.
Kwa ban keren la kuno kuno yaki tu di balayo Khusnam nang nena kwa jela khamtam ba thamas ba ye kong wandari wanrida di bala lateng sai kham senabha hagani ke jela jungi hakikam ke bakile